Good afternoon, everybody, or good evening. It's almost evening right here, and welcome to this new video here on Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, I quickly wanted to make a video, not too long, but just to prepare you for next week. What to expect. We'll talk about some fundamentals, we'll talk about Bitcoin, we'll talk about XRP, we'll talk about altcoins. So basically to give you a good idea of what to expect next week, and just in general, so some important pointers and what happened over the course of today, which we actually had some movement today. In the signal group, we did some trading, not official. I mean, I did not send any signals because I tried to keep the signals low risk. But there were some coins like Golem right here, GLM. We actually called that in the chats. And Teller, I'm still in a bit of a trade from down here at 38.2. So there were definitely opportunities, but these are like Teller and Golem are historically quite manipulated, and you can also see it's very spiky and difficult to trade. So, all right, to talk about next week, I assume we're going to get some headlines throughout the week, and we'll also get some news regarding the Bybit hack. Today, I think they recovered $40 million, so that's great. All right, that's amazing. It's obviously not $1.2 billion, but still, it's a good amount. So we'll still hear more about that. And we will most likely get some other headlines as well. I mean, a lot is going on in the market, so when that actually does happen, I will keep you updated on that. But if we look at the economic calendar, we have PCE price index on Friday. That matters. That's going to make the market move. And then we have GDP growth and initial jobless claims on Thursday. That's most likely not going to make the market move that much. But I'll keep you updated on that as well. So that's for next week. And just in general, what matters a lot, in my opinion, is how the dollar strength index and the stock market opens. All right, so we cannot say anything about that. But obviously, with what we want is a bearish dollar strength index and a bullish stock market. So we'll see. I will keep you updated on that tomorrow morning. But they will open already, or at least futures will already start trading a bit earlier, so tonight, or at least after 12 a.m. in my time zone at least. So yeah, keep an eye on those if you actually want to see at least the fundamental side of it. We still have a Coinbase Bitcoin premium, so that's good. There's still some bidding coming in from Coinbase, but fundamentally that matters a lot. Now, talking about Bitcoin, today has been relatively bearish. That was to be expected. We're still holding our main support level at 95,000 and 95,500 though. And something interesting that happened over the course of today for Bitcoin is that initially we actually had some longs coming in. As you can see right here with the open interest and the CVD, those were closed. Not liquidated, but closed. And then we had, and it looks like now the majority of the positions, you can see since 1:30 earlier this afternoon, the open interest has went up. So perpetual future contracts have been opened. CVD is down. All right, so that means that's most likely a lot of shorts open right here. So as long as we do not get a disastrous opening from the stock market, like we had 3 weeks ago, I think that we could spike down lower, but I do think we'll be able to hold this level and actually get some bullish momentum into 97, 98,000 as well. In short, I expect this intra range to hold. Then talking about altcoins, XRP is relatively stable. Still holding on top of 2.5, similar story. I expect that support to hold and actually to bounce up a bit. What I do want to spend some more time on is Ethereum, due to what we're seeing right now regarding the Bybit hack. What we've seen is that they're recovering money. All right, so that's great. So that's less Ethereum that can be sold off. But outside of that, first of all, it looks like it's going to be very difficult to sell off the hacked Ethereum. So that's positive because that's effectively removing some of the supply, so that's positive for the price. And Bybit is also slowly but surely buying back the Ethereum with USDT, all right, which is bullish pressure on the price of Ethereum. So you can see it's still consolidating right now between 2,850 and 2,550. But if we can get some sort of a bullish breakout tomorrow, I think Ethereum can actually rally up higher here. But that is something I will 100% keep you updated on. And then outside of that, talking about altcoins, there's honestly not much I can talk about right now. The kind of scam coins I named earlier are still quite interesting. And then there's some other excuse me. Some other coins that I thought were quite interesting. First of all, Litecoin is still trading very high, is still high in volume as well. So that's an interesting coin to trade, even though I don't have any trades on it for now. I think Ondo is getting towards a very nice buy area right here between $1 and 1.1. So that's definitely a coin to keep your eyes on. What more do we have? And then you also have Story. I think Story, or IP, that's the name of the token, has just had a strong bearish breakout. As long as the funding rate doesn't get very negative on IP, which it was last week, so keep an eye on that. I think this is a great short opportunity. But that's it for now. Those are some opportunities. We'll talk more about opportunities tomorrow. For now, have a great rest of your Sunday. I'll see you all in my next videos tomorrow. Take care and bye.